Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'll be showing you how to change your favicon from React default favicon to your desired favicon. So you would ask, what is a favicon and why is it very important? As you can see, there are a list of tabs here opened on my desktop, on my browser, sorry. And it is quite easy for you to recognize some of these sites just because we have some favicon beside each of their names, even without you seeing that this is WhatsApp. You see their logo, this is React, see its logo, it's from another site, You can see that favicon is a very important way of people identifying, making a brand for yourself, for your website. So basically most websites use their logo as a favicon. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using an image I have in my file explorer. So I usually generate, to get a very pitch perfect favicon, I usually use go to favicon.io, then convert it to the favicon here. You could use a text if you want. You could convert a text if you want. You could convert your image. They have different formats you could convert to an ICU document. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using some images I have in my file explorer. So let's get started. So since I'm using an image, I would click here, then upload my image. Sorry. Okay, so I could just use this. Let me use this. Okay. So this is my image. I have it here. Then I could just download it. So it's going to come in a zip folder. Open my folder in my file explorer. Then extract. This is the parts I need. This is what I need. This favicon.ico. This is what I need. So I'm going to click on this part and extract to a specified folder. So all I have to do is just drag it to this is my project, the one that had just the React favicon before. So I'll just replace this. I'll just replace it with it. So if I go back to you can see that I had React, just this React icon here before, but if I reload, you can see that it has been changed to the favicon I just uploaded. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Thank you.